Stop scrolling if your ZZ plant looks like it's doing nothing. Most people think ZZ plants grow painfully slow. But what if I told you it's not the plant? It's your care routine. In the next few minutes, you'll learn 3 simple tricks that can dramatically boost your ZZ plant's growth and turn it from barely surviving into a lush, glossy green showpiece. Let's unlock the secret growth mode of your ZZ plant. Number 1. Light. The real growth switch. If your ZZ plant isn't growing fast, the first thing to fix is light. Many people make the mistake of placing ZZ plants in deep shade, thinking they love darkness. While it's true they tolerate low light, they don't grow well in it. For faster growth, your ZZ plant needs bright indirect light. Think of a spot near a window where sunlight is filtered through curtains or bounced off a wall. This kind of lighting gives the plant enough energy to produce new stems and thicker rhizomes underground. Here's the secret most people miss. Z plants store energy in their rhizomes, thick potato-like roots. The more light they receive, the more energy they store, and the faster they push out new shoots. If your plant is sitting in a dark corner, it may survive, but it will almost pause growth for months. Move it gradually into brighter light over a few days so it doesn't shock the leaves. Also, rotate your plant every 1 to 2 weeks. This helps all sides receive equal light, leading to balanced, upright growth instead of leaning. Avoid direct, harsh sunlight, though. It can burn the glossy leaves and cause yellow spots. The goal is bright but gentle light. Bonus tip. If natural light is limited, a simple LED grow light can dramatically speed things up. Just 10-12 hours daily can double growth speed in some cases. Remember, light is not just important for survival, it's the engine that drives growth. Fix this first, and you'll already notice your ZZ plant looking more active, greener, and ready to grow new shoots. Number 2, watering smart. Strong root energy. One of the biggest secrets to making a ZZ plant grow faster is learning how not to overwater it. Yes, less water often means more growth. Z plants are drought tolerant because their rhizomes store water like a built-in tank. When you overwater, those rhizomes become stressed, leading to root rot. And once roots are damaged, growth slows dramatically. The golden rule is simple. Water only when the soil is not slightly dry, completely dry. You can check by sticking your finger 2 to 3 inches into the soil or using a moisture meter. When it's time to water, do it deeply. Pour water until it flows out of the drainage holes, then let it drain completely. Never let the plant sit in standing water. For faster growth, consistency matters more than frequency. In warm months, you might water every 2-3 weeks. In cooler seasons, even once a month may be enough. Here's a pro trick. Slightly underwatering, not neglecting, encourages the plant to push roots deeper in search of moisture. Stronger roots, more shoots above soil. Also make sure your pot has proper drainage. A ZZ plant in a pot without drainage is like a car stuck in mud. It can't move forward no matter how much energy it has. And don't forget soil quality. Use a fast-draining mix, like cactus or succulent soil blended with perlite. This prevents water from lingering around the roots. When watering is done right, your ZZ plant doesn't just survive, it starts investing energy into new growth, producing fresh, shiny stems that rise like green spears from the soil. Number 3, feeding plus pot space. Explosive growth. If you want your ZZ plant to truly speed up growth, you need to think beyond light and water. This is where feeding and space come in. First, fertilizer. ZZ plants are light feeders, but that doesn't mean they don't need nutrients. During the growing season, spring and summer, feed your plant once every 4 to 6 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. This gentle feeding provides nitrogen for leaf growth, phosphorus for root development, and potassium for overall plant strength. Without nutrients, the plant has energy but no building materials to grow new stems. Second, pot size matters more than most people realize. ZZ plants actually grow faster when slightly root-bound, but if the pot is too small, growth will stall completely. If you notice roots pushing up or cracking the pot, it's time to upgrade one size bigger. However, don't jump to a huge pot. Too much space can hold excess moisture and slow growth. The ideal upgrade is just 1 to 2 inches wider in diameter. Also, check your soil every 1 to 2 years. Over time, soil becomes compacted and loses nutrients. Refreshing the soil gives the roots room to breathe and absorb food efficiently. One more underrated trick: wipe the leaves gently every few weeks. Dust blocks light absorption, and clean leaves can photosynthesize more efficiently, meaning more energy for growth. When feeding, pot size and soil health are balanced. Your ZZ plant shifts from slow and steady to actively producing new shoots and lush green growth. So there you have it. 3 simple but powerful ways to speed up your ZZ plant's growth. Better light, smarter watering, and proper feeding with the right pot space. Apply these consistently, and you won't just see survival, you'll see transformation. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more plant growth secrets that actually work.